So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial of this particular AI called the li.io, and I'm also going to go on to showing you how you could use that to start making money right here with CPA marketing and start boosting your CPA marketing offers to start making some cool cash right now. So guys, just simply take a look at this video right here.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a video with this AI called a li.io.
So right now that video right there was created with the help of this AI tool called the li.io. And guys, if you want to get more stuff or know more about this AI tool, you can actually see that this AI tool is actually a video generating AI tool that you can use to go on to generating your video from text, and it's going to go on to having some cool and realistic AI presenters right there that can actually go on to using right now, and you can actually generate videos at scale with a hassle-free steps right now. You could just simply go on to clicking on pricing, where you'll be able to see more on the pricing details right there. You can see that you do get a free account, a basic account, an advanced account, and a custom plan right here. You can see the respective amounts for each plan right there, and for the free account you could see that you do only have 1 minute free credit right here. But guys, you could also scroll through to this section where you can see more details about each account right here, or more features of each account, which can enable you go on to selecting one right now. And if you do go on to logging into your account after creating one, as you can see right here guys, I'm logged into my account, and you can then just simply go on to generating a video right here from a template. You could generate a video with an avatar, you could use the AI storyboard, or you could go on to maybe generating a video from, maybe if you do have a URL or an article which you want to convert to a video, you could use this section, and you could convert PowerPoint presentation files to video. So what I'm going to do right now, if I do click on this AI storyboard right here, you can actually go on to clicking on get started to do that right now. So if I do click on get started right here, I can then just simply go on to creating my own template, or go on to selecting one of these templates right here, because you want to wait until this actually loads up successfully. You can see that this is one template right now. So right here guys, you can either filter your template based on horizontal or vertical template right here, depending on what you want. And supposing I do go on to maybe selecting this template right here, I'm going to select that. You can see more details about the template, and I'm just going to go to clicking on create video. And if I do click on create video, you can see my video generation is actually in progress right now. So for this video right here now, I need to go on to generating a script for my video right here, in which I'm just going to add in a header right here. I'm also going to add in the speech which I want the AI avatar to go on to saying right here. So you could take advantage of other tools right here like the Cpagrip to go on to generating a script for your video. So you can just simply ask Cpagrip to write an article about survey or about weight loss, and Cpagrip is actually going to do that for you. So maybe I do come right here and ask Cpagrip to write an article on weight loss, and guys, you can see that Cpagrip actually began writing this article right here. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm just going to go on to copying the title to this article. If I do copy the title to this article right now, I'm going to head back to Li, and right here I'm going to go on to pasting that right here. Now for this speech to text, I'm just going to go on to, or text to speech right there, I'm just going to go on to this particular section, and maybe I'm just going to go on to copying the introduction only. And once I do copy that, I'm going to head back to this platform and go on to paste in that right in there. So right now I can then just simply add in the next scene, and for the next scene right here, if I do click on this plus icon, you can actually see how the scene is actually going to look like right now. And I can then just simply add in a header text, add in a subheader, add in images, and add in a text right here. So you want to just simply do that right there. You could add in other scenes right there, but I'm just going to delete these other scenes right now. I'm only going to use one scene so as not to make this video too long. Once you're done with that, I can then just simply click on convert to slide. So right now guys, you can actually see my template right here. You can see how it's going to look like. This is actually the text that I actually pasted right there for the title, and this is my AI avatar right now. I can just simply go on to editing the text by clicking on this section. I could increase the color, or I could just simply edit that section based on my preference. I could go onto this avatar section right here to go onto selecting or changing an avatar right now. You can see that there are numerous avatars which I can just simply go on to using, or I could go on to custom avatar to actually go on to editing my own avatar or uploading a picture which I want to use for my avatar right now. I could also come right here to this element section to add in stuff like images, videos, stickers, GIFs, and lotties, and a lot more other stuff right now. You could also go on to using this upload section to upload stuff which you want to just simply add to this page. You could record, you could use the animation, music, and templates right here. Just go on to editing that yourself. And right now you can see the script, this text right here is what this AI voice or AI avatar is actually going to say. And you could also go on to selecting the voice style of this particular AI right here. So you can see these are different voice styles right here which you could take advantage of right now. And also you could just simply go on to maybe previewing that particular voice right here by clicking on this play icon, and it's going to say this exact text right now.
In an era where health and wellness take center stage, the pursuit of weight loss has become a prominent topic of conversation.
So you can actually listen to how cool that actually sounds right here. But this AI is not actually going to be talking right here until you go on to rendering that particular video. So once you do render that video, the AI is actually going to go on to lip syncing with that particular text right here and voice over right now. So what you want to do is that you could just simply come right here, select the aspect ratio which you want your video to actually be in, either the 16:9, the 9:16, or the 1:1 right here. I'm going to leave this at the 16:9. Once I'm done, click on render, and actually go on to clicking on start rendering for this particular video to be downloaded on my device. So it is quite important that you actually go on to generating a cool script right here which you want to just simply use to start promoting your CPA marketing offer. And you can just simply generate a script on any niche of your choice right here. And supposing you want to promote maybe a gift card offer right there, you could just simply go on to maybe editing this particular command which you do give ChatGPT. I'm going to edit that right here. And here I actually asked ChatGPT to write an article on weight loss and also include a section that directs viewers to the link in the video description for a gift card giveaway. And if I do click on submit right here, guys, you can see that it actually went on to writing that exact same kind of article right here, and you can actually see how cool this actually is. But what it's going to do right now is that it's also going to include a section that will direct people to the link in the description of this video right here. As you can see, it says claim your free gift card giveaway. As a token of appreciation for your dedication to improving your health, we are excited to offer you a chance to claim a free gift card. And you can just simply see this text right here. It's actually promoting that particular giveaway right now, and it will be available in the description of the video. So once you actually do that right here, copy the script and actually go on to using that particular script to create a video right here on this particular platform, you can then just simply go on to platforms like Cpagrip right now. You could register for this platform by clicking on register, where you'll be brought to this page right here. Fill out this form appropriately and register for an account. Once your account has been created, you can then log into your account and actually go on to the monetization tools or the offer tools section. Click on my offers, and it's quite important that you actually go on to maybe changing these offers right here, or this particular country right here, maybe to all countries. And if you do that right now, you can then just simply go on to filtering your offers to gift card offers right here. I'm just going to come right here and search for gift. So right now, guys, I can actually see a lot of gift card related offers right here for various countries. You can see this offer right here is for the United Kingdom for a Tasco gift card. This one right here is for the New Zealand. This one right here is for another country right now. And you can see offers for various countries out there which you can actually take advantage of right now. Go on to promoting such offers right now. So if you do select any of this offer, you'll be able to go on to grabbing the link to that offer right there and go on to promoting that, maybe just by going on to clicking on copy link and copy the link to promote that on social media platforms right here like YouTube. And if you do head on to YouTube, click on this plus icon to go on to uploading that particular video right here. Once you do upload the video, You can also make sure that the link to that particular CPA marketing offer is available in the description of that video. And for as many people that do watch that video right here, we actually do listen to that call to action that is going to direct them to the link in the description of that video right there that was created by this AI tool. And if that call to action directs them to the link in the description of that video, for as much people that are actually interested in completing or getting that particular gift card giveaway, they're actually going to go onto the description, get the link right there, and go on to clicking on that offer. If they do complete that offer, you can actually do take advantage of that right now and start making some cool cash with CPA marketing. And this is one out of the strategies which I actually did use to make such amounts right here on CPA marketing. So why not just simply try out this method right now to start boosting your income online? And guys, if you also want to get more kinds of videos like this that can actually help you go on to boosting your income online with CPA marketing, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to this video, and ensure your post notification is turned on all. Make sure you subscribe to this channel right there. So see you all in my next video, and goodbye.